In this video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix Telegram this group can't be displayed. So this functionality is compatible with various devices, including mobile phones, PCs, and both Android and iOS devices. To begin, open a web browser. In this case, let's assume Safari is being used. Proceed by searching for telegram.org. Once you reach the website, log in using your phone number, select your country code, and enter your mobile phone number. Next, click on the three bars located in the top left corner of the screen. From there, navigate to the Settings section and select Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find the Disable Settings option. When a disable filtering feature is not enabled, certain content may be censored, and joining groups could be restricted. To change this, simply tap on Disable Filtering. By doing so, nothing will be filtered, and you will have unrestricted access to all content on Telegram. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.